Ayan, mag-start na mag-work yung anak ko. Oh. Hi everyone!
Hi.
Busy-busy.
This looks like an old one, but it's new.
Yeah, because mom always keep them so they look new. And you can still use it, right?
And I have a new pencil. You don't have to sharpen it. It's like the crayon name, but it's not. Pencil.
Kiss mama. Minsan lang siya sweet guys, kaya pagbigyan nyo na ako.
I'm working at home.
He's working at McDonald's. Oh, pick it up. It's okay. Okay. Go get it. Antay namin yung iba niyang kasamahan, yung mga kabatch niya. Kaya dito muna kami. You ano, that one down, the color. What color that one? What color that one? Green?
It's just green.
I get that. Ayan, naantayin muna namin yung kabatchmate nila. Then yung friend niya, schoolmate niya, na friend niya. Ice, wala pa. So, magdodrawing muna. Ready ako kaya may mga ano-ano siya. Are you good on coloring now?
No.
No? Make it better. Make it good. Make it look good. Good job. Oh, look. It's better now than before.
Before and outside.
Yes. Now you have to be inside the box. Inside the line, right?
I'm gonna make ice cream.
Ice cream, ah. They're, today, what you call that? First day, they're going to make ice cream.
Today is Monday.
Yes, today is Monday, first day. Tomorrow is Tuesday, right?
Are you having fun? Wow, that's good.
Bye, everyone!
Not today.